Hello guys, in this video we will be learning about Amazon Web Services. What is it and what is its importance? So the first question is, what is AWS? AWS is an on-demand cloud computing platform. This means that you ask AWS to provide you some configuration and they charge you some nominal amount and they provide you those services. So what is its importance? See, the thing is, it is highly reliable, it is scalable, it is low cost, and the thing is that everything is on the cloud and everything is compatible and say suitable for all the modern work scenarios. For example, you need to deploy an application, you can do that. You need to deploy the code, or you need to say compile the code, or you need to run an web server. Everything can be done on AWS. You just think of things and those things are already being done here on AWS. Now the thing is, how it came, what was its history? So back in 2002 they launched AWS for say for some corporation, for select companies, those companies who can test it out whether this is something that they require or not. Then once they got success, what they did was they launched AWS for general public use in 14th of March 2006. So at this particular point of time it was launched for public use and everyone can start using AWS. It doesn't matter whether it is a company or a normal user. Now the thing is, how it is beneficial. At that particular point of time they launched with EC2 and two other services, and EC2 was one of the major things, the important things that they launched. And EC2 is something that allows you to have virtual servers. So here they came up with this. It was a huge success, and since then AWS is continuously growing. Now it is having a more than say 200 services. So every few months they came up with a new service that stands helpful for many corporations. Now let's just consider a scenario of PUBG Corporation. Say they have a server in a location, say United Kingdom, and they're serving their customers across the world. Some are in United States, some are in Bangladesh, Japan, Australia, India, Germany and Canada. So they are distributed across the world. Now if every customer is contacting the UK server only, what would happen? Even if the server is super say capable of bearing the load, there is one thing that everyone will face. People living in farther areas will have say higher latency, and people living nearby UK, say countries adjoining UK, for example UK itself or Germany, these countries will face lesser lag. Now what happens? This marks a difference in the experience everyone is having. Now what is the solution for this? We can have our servers in different locations, but this involves a lot of cost. Now what we can do is we can ask AWS to provide us servers. We can have servers in US, we can have servers in European Union, we can have servers in India and Japan. So we can distribute the servers accordingly so that these servers serve the people nearby. For example, US server will be serving for United States and Canada. The European Union server would be serving for UK and Germany people. Indian server will be serving for India and Bangladesh people, and Japan server will be serving for Japan and Australian people. So this way everyone will face lesser lag, and the thing is that they will be able to have the similar experience. And for a company like PUBG Corporation, what's the benefit? The benefit is that people will prefer using it because it does not provide a say better experience to few countries, and for other countries it does not provide that good experience. So they are having one thing. Next thing is the cost. They don't have to worry about the servers in different countries. They just have to ask AWS to provide the servers to them, and everything will be managed by AWS. Then it says that the servers will be hosted in different countries, and one can sit in any location and say manage all those servers from one location. So this is something that every company requires, actually directly or indirectly, and it stands helpful in lot of cases. So this was for this video. In case if you have any queries, you can feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Thank you.